Unveiling, but mastering contrast in English. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on describing things. Today, we are going to explore an essential part of the English language, the word but. We're diving deep into the world of contrasting structures, and but is our main character. This simple word is a powerful tool to express contrast or contradiction in English. So, let's get started. But is a coordinating conjunction in English. We mainly use it to connect words, phrases, or clauses that contrast or contradict each other. The sentence structure usually goes like this: Statement 1, but Statement 2. Here's an example. I love dogs, but I am allergic to them. In this sentence, I love dogs and I am allergic to them are two contrasting statements. The speaker loves dogs, but unfortunately, they are allergic to them. We can use but in various sentence structures. Here are some examples. 1. Contrasting two simple sentences. I like coffee, but my sister prefers tea. 2. Contrasting two phrases. She's quite shy in public, but really outgoing with her friends. 3. Contrasting two clauses. He wanted to go out, but because of the rain, he had to stay indoors. Remember, but shows a contradiction or contrast between two pieces of information. Even though but is a simple word, there are a few common mistakes to avoid. 1. Avoid starting a sentence with but in formal writing. While this is more accepted in casual or conversational English, it's generally avoided in formal written English. 2. Don't use but and however in the same clause. These words have similar meanings, so using them together can be redundant. For example, instead of saying, I like cats, but however, I am allergic to them, say, I like cats, but I am allergic to them. And that's it for today. Remember, but is a handy tool to express contrast or contradiction in English. Practice using but in different sentence structures to become more fluent in English. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next one.